Is soap in the microwave. I've never done this before, but I'm going to see what happens. It's quite simple. You get your soap, microwave proof lid or whatever. Place on a bit of tissue. Then you need to simply stick it in your microwave. With the soap in the microwave. Turn it on. 2 minutes. And the countdown begins. Now I don't know whether this will explode or not, but I will be back at the end of this test. You have exactly something like a minute and a bit left. I can smell something cooking and popping. It is quite mad. Cooked soap. I'm just going to stop that. And soap in the microwave. Wow, that's one hell of a mess. Just put it back in. I think I'm going to stop that right there just in case it does explode. And this is soap in the microwave. I mean, wow, it's just like totally fucked up. That's your soap. It's quite hot and whatever, but it's a nice froth. That is quite hot. It's like there's burning my finger. And you can really look at soap in the microwave. Soap pancake.